Hi guys. I recently got in my head that I would like to grow my presence on Quora. If you look at my profile, previously, my first few answers were kind of joke answers, one word yes or no answers, um, such as does CMU look at freshman grades and calculate that into their GPA? Yes, of course they do. It's 9 times 5, really 45. Yes. Okay, so but about 24 hours ago, yesterday, um, I was at work. Everything was winding down because we were about to go to an offsite, and then I'm like, I use Quora a lot. I really like Quora. Um, I kind of want to answer some questions and see what happens. I'll grow my Quora presence. So this is one of the first ones, one of the first questions that I really answered thoroughly. And so since then, it's gotten 1.7 thousand views. So basically, in these past 24 hours, I've answered about 30-ish questions and gotten about 12,000 views in about 24 hours. So, yeah, I mean, basically, what I do is I try to look at, I go to, questions, and then I see what really hasn't been answered yet and what I can really uh, what kind of insight that I can give that other people can't give. So like um, for for example, uh, so most people don't have a BMW i8, and I do. So I try to leverage that, and I answer the questions about owning an i8. Or I get to work at Facebook, so any questions about Mark Zuckerberg, or I just recently graduated from Carnegie Mellon, so these kind of questions I know a lot about. And so this guy was asking whether or not he should choose Carnegie Mellon or University of Maryland. So I actually was facing a very similar um, decision 4 years ago, and I just put my thoughts out there, and hopefully people can learn from that. And yeah, I mean, I think it's really rewarding to be able to, just influence people's decisions. Yeah, basically, I started Quora pretty much from zero. So in these past 24 hours, about 50 of my followers were, real life friends from before that I knew and who just followed me, right? But then like my like latest 7 followers have been all random people who just decided to follow me because they like my answers. And so it's really fun because some people request your answers to questions because they think that you'll have a good answer. So yeah, I mean, this is just to document my journey throughout Quora and how whether or not I'll be able to grow my presence on Quora. So in 24 hours, I just want to document. I was able to get 12,000 views in 24 hours.